Good morning, class 4th students. We were doing the chapter number 5 and we have completed the exercise 4th A, 5th A, 5th B, 5th C, 5th D. Now we will do exercise 5th E. So take out your book and notebook and we will do this exercise. So in notebook, we will mention the date here. The date of today is 14/6/20, and here we will write down the heading exercise 5th E and underline this heading. Now we will see in book in exercise 5th E there are question 1 to 6 are given here, and here are given the question words problem. We will read very carefully and then we will do these questions. So question number 1 of this exercise, the sum of two number is 2,10,365. If one of them 1,02,858, find their differences. स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर हमें टू नंबर्स का सम दिया है 2,10,365, यानी दो नंबर को ऐड करने पर 2,10,365 आता है, और उसमें से एक नंबर है 1,02,858. तो हमें सबसे पहले सेकंड नंबर निकालना होगा, देन सेकंड नंबर में से फर्स्ट नंबर को माइनस करके उनका डिफरेंस निकालना होगा. सो इन नोटबुक we will write the statement of question number 1. Sum of two numbers equals to 2,10,365. One of them equals to 1,02,858. Their difference equals to question mark. So first of all we will find second number. So we will write second number equals to sum of two number minus one number. So we will subtract 1,02,858 from 2,10,365. So it will be 1,07,507 as the second number. Now we will find the difference of two number. So we will write difference of two number equals to 1,07,507 minus 1,02,858. When we subtract, it will be 4,649. So we will write, so their difference equals to 4,649. This is the answer. I hope you will be understand well. Now we will read question number 2. The question number 2 is, the difference between two numbers is 14,937. If the greater of the two numbers is 59,002, find their sum. यहाँ हमें स्टूडेंट दो नंबर का डिफरेंस दिया है और हमें ग्रेटर नंबर दिया है दोनों नंबर्स में से 59,002. तो हमें सबसे पहले स्मॉलर नंबर निकालना होगा, यानी सेकंड नंबर निकालना होगा, देन उनका सम निकालना होगा दोनों नंबर का. सो इन नोटबुक वी विल राइट द स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट ऑफ सेकंड नंबर. डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू नंबर्स equals to 14,937. Greater of the two numbers equals to 59,002. Their sum equals to question mark. So we will find out first smaller number. So we will write smaller number of two number equals to greater of the two numbers minus difference between two numbers. So we will subtract 14,937 from 59,002. So it will be 44,065 as the smaller number. Now we will find out the sum of two numbers. So we will write sum of two numbers equals to 59,002 plus 44,065. So it will be 1,03,067. So we will write, so the second number, so the sum of two numbers equals to 1,03,067. This is the answer. Now we will read question number 3. By how much is the sum of 92,746 and 78,218 greater than their difference? यहाँ स्टूडेंट्स हमसे पूछा है By how much is the sum of 92,746 and 78,218 का सम कितना बड़ा है उनके डिफरेंस से? तो सबसे पहले हमें इन दोनों का सम निकालना होगा, देन इन दोनों का डिफरेंस निकालना होगा, देन इन दोनों के सम में से इन दोनों के डिफरेंस को माइनस करना होगा. So in notebook we will write the question. So we will write first question number 3. By how much is the sum of 92,746 and 78,218 greater than their difference? Now we will write sum of these numbers. So we will find out the sum of two numbers, 92,746 and 78,218. So it will be 1,70,964. Now we will find out the difference of these numbers. So 92,746 minus 78,218. So this is the difference, 14,528. Now how much greater than their difference? So we will subtract 14,528 from 1,70,964. So it will be 1,56,436. This is the answer. Now we will read question number 4. Question number 4 is, by how much is 1,23,671 greater than the sum of 35,465 and 72,555? यहाँ स्टूडेंट्स हमसे पूछा है कि 1,23,671 कितना बड़ा है 35,465 एंड 72,255 के सम से. तो सबसे पहले हमें इन दोनों नंबर्स का सम निकालना होगा, देन 1,23,671 में से इन दोनों के सम को माइनस करना होगा, वो हमारा आंसर होगा. सो इन नोटबुक वी विल राइट द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. By how much is 1,23,671 greater than the sum of 35,465 and 72,255? So now we will write sum of numbers. So we will find out the sum of numbers, 35,465 and 72,255. So it will be 1,07,720. Now we will write how much is 1,23,671 greater than sum of 35,465 and 72,255. So now we will subtract 1,07,720 from 1,23,671. So it will be 15,951. So this is the answer. Now we will read question number 5. Question number 5 is, Ravi has ₹6,43,578. रवि के पास 6,43,578 रुपीज़ थे. He want to buy a machine that cost ₹9,05,000. उसे वह मशीन खरीदना चाहता है जिसकी कॉस्ट है 9,05,000. How much should he borrow that he is left with 25,000 after buying the machine? उसे कितना पैसा लोन लेना है या लेना है, किसी से ऋण लेना है, बोरो करना है, जो उसके पास मशीन खरीदने के बाद भी 25,000 बच जाएं. तो सबसे पहले हमें स्टूडेंट्स मशीन के कॉस्ट में से हमें जितने उसके पास थे उसको माइनस करना होगा, देन उसमें 25,000 ऐड करना होगा. तो हमें पता चल जाएगा उसे कितना बोरो करना है जो मशीन खरीदने के बाद भी उसके पास 25,000 रुपीज़ से बच जाएं. तो नाउ इन नोटबुक we will write the statement of question number 5. Ravi has rupees equals to 6,43,578. The cost of machine equals to 9,05,000 rupees. How much he borrow so that he is left with rupees 25,000 after buying machine equals to 9,05,000 minus 6,43,578. So it will be 2,61,422. Now we will add 25,000 in this figure, 2,61,422. So after addition we will find out 2,86,422. This is the answer. Now we will write, so he borrow equals to 2,86,422 rupees. So students, उसे 2,86,422 रुपीज़ बोरो करने होंगे, जो मशीन खरीदने के बाद उसके पास 25,000 रुपीज़ भी बच जाएंगे. नाउ वी विल रीड क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज मिस्टर संगमा स्पेंट रुपीज़ 4,75,600 1 ईयर. मिस्टर संगमा एक साल में 1 ईयर में 4,75,600 रुपीज़ खर्च करते हैं. द सेम ईयर हिज वाइफ स्पेंट 1,80,120 एंड हिज सन स्पेंट रुपीज़ 1,65,600. और सेम ईयर में उनकी वाइफ 1,80,120 रुपीज़ और उनका बेटा 1,65,600 रुपीज़ खर्च करता है. तो हमें बताना है हाउ मच मोर डिड मिस्टर संगमा स्पेंड देन द टोटल ऑफ द मनी स्पेंड बाय हिज वाइफ एंड सन. तो मिस्टर संगमा अपनी पत्नी और अपने बेटे से कितना ज़्यादा खर्च करते हैं, दोनों के पैसों से कितना ज़्यादा खर्च करते हैं. सो इन नोटबुक वी विल राइट द स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट. मिस्टर संगमा स्पेंड इन 1 ईयर इक्वल्स टू 4,75,600 रुपीज़. हिज वाइफ स्पेंड in 1 year equals to 1,80,120 rupees. His son spent in 1 year equals to 1,65,600 rupees. Now first we will find out the total spent of wife and son. So we will write total spent of wife and son equals to 1,80,120 plus 1,65,600. So the total money spent his wife and son equals to 3,45,720 rupees. Now we will write how much more did Mr. Sangma spend to the total money of his wife and son. So we will subtract 3,45,720 from 4,75,600. So it will be 1,29,880 rupees. So we will write, so Mr. Sangma spent more money of his wife and son's spent equals to 1,29,880 रुपीज़. सो मिस्टर संगमा अपनी वाइफ और सन से 1,29,880 रुपीज़ ज़्यादा स्पेंड करते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस एक्सरसाइज इज़ completed and chapter also completed, chapter 5. So you will do this exercise in your notebook very neatly and cleanly, like this way as I have done, and you will practice well of this chapter. And students, after exercise 5th E, here are given review worksheet 1, question 1 to question 7. Here are questions you will read, you will learn chapter 1 to chapter 5. So you will do very easily. So you will do yourself review worksheet 1, question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, question 5, question 6 and question 7. Question 1 is write using Roman numerals. In question number 1, the Hindu Arabic numbers are given here. You will convert into Roman numerals. You will do very easily. Question 2, fill in greater than, smaller than or equal. First you will compare these numbers and then we will write the sign greater than, smaller than or equal. Question number 3, write in figures. Here are questions given in words. You will write in figures. Question number 4, write the predecessor. Some number are given here. You will write these their predecessor. And in question number 5, write the place value of the digits. Some numbers are given here and the digits in numbers are given here. You will find out the place value of these digits. In question number 6, do these sums, plus plus, minus minus. You will do very easily. Question number 7, fill in the missing digits. So you will do this exercise review worksheet 1 yourself and also exercise 5th E. Thank you students.